Olanya, Gilbert, Member of Parliament for who comes from a more district, has issued a statement appreciating some of the Balaalo, mentioning the name of General Salim Saleh, who has shown good example of trying to evacuate Acholi land with these cattle, but also he expressed dissatisfaction with some of the Balaalo who are still hesitant. This morning, NBS posted a news saying that Balaalo, some of the Balaalo have repudiated the presidential executive order number 2, which requires them to leave immediately or actions will be taken. This happened from Kriandong in a press conference.
Greetings to all. I've been monitoring the implementation of the presidential executive order about the eviction of Balaalo from northern Uganda. For the last 2 days, I am grateful that I've been seeing trucks of animals leaving my district Amoro, heading towards Kampala. I am happy that General Salim Saleh has really respected the presidential order. He has removed away his animals from Nyamukino, Noya district, back to where they came from. This is the best example we have seen. Now I would like to urge other Balaalos. There are others who think that they are fully connected. There are others who think that it is business as usual. This time we are not joking. Not. We are left with only 2 days. 1 and 2. Only the 23rd today and the 24th. By the 25th, I am telling you, the Balaalo, if you know yourself, respect the presidential order. I am grateful that this time the president stated clearly that whether you got the land genuinely or fraudulently, you are supposed to leave northern Uganda. I call upon our people, please, right now, pick up your Pangas, your horse, wherever your land is. Please go and start working onto your land. We don't want to cause any problem. The Balaalo respect the presidential directives. Leave northern part of this country. We are following very keenly and we are monitoring. I am also happy that this time I am seeing all categories of animals being transported. Not in the past, whereby only fat ones, only mature ones were heading towards Kampala. So please, this time, let us respect the presidential directives. I call upon the 4th Division Commander, the RDC of Amoro, Major General Felix. We are not going to joke this time. Once the deadline is over, please make sure you implement. And your reasoning of 65 days, I think there is some tricks being played there. 65 days, that is 2 months down the road. It doesn't count. Transporting animals does not need more than 1 week or 2 weeks. The moment the deadline is over, let the UPDF officers go to the bush, follow these animals, let them get trucks, pack their animals and leave. And those ones who are walking, let them start walking with their animals. It doesn't call for more 2 months. So the tendency of playing games, wherever the deadline is clocking, you pretend that another order has been given. We are not going to respect that. This time, the 25th is the deadline. The 26th, we are ordering our people of northern Uganda to start helping you, the army officers, helping you, the RDCs, to implement and support the directive given by the president. This time, we are more serious. And this is the best time we are to see Balaalo out of northern Uganda. Please go where you came from. Leave our land. Leave our land. To the community, please go and start reclaiming back the land which was spoiled by the grazing of these animals. Our land is our land. We are following very keenly any slight mistake. Failure to go, we shall help you and show you the direction to follow. God bless Acholi land.
And also on the other side, we need to take a look at this. Muhoozi also responded to this issue of Balaalo. He started by posting on X, said, anyone who says that I have ever disagreed with my beloved uncle Afande Kagame on anything is really looking for hell with me, and I shall sort all of them out. And also he went ahead to say, I am probably the best Muraro in the world after Presidents Museveni and Kagame. I'm probably the most pure Muhoozi after Jesus Christ, but I don't have a single cow in northern Uganda. It is an insult against our God, Jesus Christ, to keep our sacred cows in a land where they hadn't wanted. Let's go. So Moses is telling the Balaalo people to leave, because he's saying that is a land where they are not wanted, and it is a crime against God. It's an insult against Jesus, who he says the God of the Bachuizi. So I think this is not easy way to see, as you have heard, or Gilbert Lion says that the landowners, the Acholi people, should prepare with Pangas to deal with Balaalo, to start working on their land. So we wait to see, as it is left only 2 days and the countdown is on, how the fire or what will happen, how also the Balaalo will resist. We get to see. Thank you.